Okay, so we're here. Video number 2. Let's do this. Like I said, 3 minutes. We're gonna go quick. We're talking about bar graphs today. So, be ready. We're gonna move. Once I'm done with this, I will also send out a digital picture of all of this to you as well as a poster so you can get working. We got some graphing going on the next couple of weeks. So, graphing is fun, graphing is good. I might put in some fun assignments to do for our daily task. Maybe like, shooting baskets or something. I don't know, we'll figure that out. All right, so here we go. Are you ready? I'm gonna set my clock. I got my iPad right here to set my timer. I know you can't see it today, but I've got it down here. I promise it'll go off when it's done. Let's do this. Ready and going. All right, today we're talking about bar graphs. Bar graphs are to compare and contrast data using the length of bars to show the data. So for example, as you look down here, you can already start to see there are bars right here. Not candy bars. Nice try. We'll get to that in a second. But yeah, so you already see these bars that represent all the data. So here we go. We're going to start with this lower section now. That's our definition. Keep that in mind. Right here, first thing, title. Just like everything else we do. Title it up. Always got to put a title. Title right there. Yeah, our title tells what the graph is about. This one, about favorite treats. Pretty easy, pretty simple. We know those kind of things. All right, over here, I want you to look at these two lines, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the one that has cookies, candies, ice cream, and fudge on it. Those are the X. The X always goes up and down, and then there's the Y, which always goes left and right. So those are the axes. So X-axis, Y-axis. X is up and down, Y is left and right. Our X-axis tells what the graph is going to be about, or what the graph is about. So this one, number of students, pretty simple. We already know what that means. We don't have to like decode any information. Down here, Y-axis tells the title, collected data, the information of the data. So for example, this one down here is types of treats. That's already here. Types of treats, and then our category, which is each section, so where each bar is going to go, it tells the specific data in the Y-axis. Excuse me. So for example, our categories are cookies, candies, ice cream, and fudge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Different things. Now, there's one more piece to this puzzle before we get going on the graph. Over here, you'll see this word that says scale. It shows the amount of data collected. That's really important because that goes with the category. So the category shows the item, the scale tells how many. So for example, on this graph it starts at 0. Every graph starts at 0. Just to give you that heads up, you're welcome. Every graph starts at 0, but you can use different numbers. For this one we just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some you could go 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. Maybe you'll go 0, 100, 200, 300. It's always going to start at 0, but you might have different numbers that go up the sides like so. So, for example, look here. We've got all these bars. Now, look at this. Really simple. It gives it to you. Look, if you see cookies, you look here. All right, our cookies are red all the way up on this bar. Cookies are 4, and that's the number of students. So it's 4 students liked cookies. That's our favorite treat. Over here, we've got candy. You look right over here. You go right over to this side, top of the bar. 3 students like candy. Oh, but ice cream, we got 6 students. I think in my class we're gonna have more than that. This was just a sample class. Fudge, we got 2. I know that I'll be on this ice cream, but fudge, we got 2. So you look at that, look all the way over, and it shows you right here. If you need to, you can draw little helper lines. So those are the bars, show the data we collected, and bada bing, bada boom, that is our time, our 3-minute bar graph section. So remember, I will be sending you guys out a poster just like this of your own. And you can go ahead and print it out or have it on your computer so you can digitally look at it. But remember, there's different things. X-axis goes up and down, Y-axis goes left and right. There's categories, there's the scale. All of those things are gonna help you along bar graphing. Pretty soon, once we figure out how to look at bar graphs and analyze the data, we're gonna be bar graphing some stuff on our own, and I'll be sending things out to you guys to bar graph. Don't worry about that. That's later. But yeah, so that's pretty much bar graphing in a nutshell. So that's it for video number 2. Be back with video number 3 later in the week, so keep an eye out for it. Whew, I'm pooped. You pooped? I'm tired now. Ready to take a nap. Thanks.